Hey,
Hey.
did you know my tears cure cancer?
Do that?
Too bad I never cry. So today we're at City Market BBQ. We're gonna have some brisket, maybe some chicken, some sausage, and maybe some ribs too. So let's go get some. Have some moist brisket. Probably about is that what you want? Give me about 2 pounds of that. 2 pounds of moist brisket. You want some ribs, Daniel? All right. How many? 2 ribs. You want some ribs? Get about 4 ribs.
Sausage or anything else?
Yeah, let me have a Lincoln sausage. Let me have 6 ribs. And that may do it for us. All right, let's go eat. So, they close at 6 p.m. and we barely made it here. So, we got it to go because we were pouring concrete all day. Here's the card. Click on it so you can check it out. So today we're at City Market BBQ in Luling, Texas. We've been pouring concrete all day, so we got here and it was 5:45, so we could only get it to go. So we got it to go, and we're gonna eat from the back of the truck in front of City Market BBQ.
So I guess in full disclosure, we should let people know that we have eaten here before.
We have eaten here before. Well, that's why we're hungry and we're trying to think of where to eat. And I told Daniel, I said, we should go to City Market. And he said, oh, I've been there before.
But now, the last time I was here was 15 years ago.
Oh, wow. Look at it. So we got some moist brisket, some ribs, and some sausage in there somewhere. All right?
Somewhere in there.
So, dig in, Daniel.
Jeez, where's that barbecue sauce?
Did you get any? I didn't get any knives.
We don't need knives.
Go get some knives. I'm gonna work. Oh, did you see that? I tried to get a rib.
Did it just fall right off?
And it just fell apart on me.
See.
Look at this.
Oh man. Oh geez, yeah.
Very good.
Oh.
Wow, this is good.
Look, I don't want to put barbecue sauce on it and mess it up.
I feel the same way.
Oh, it's not dry, it's moist. Oh gosh, it's so good.
They fall off the bone like you saw. These are very good ribs.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
So the ribs are great.
Mm-hmm. Now, for me, the real test of barbecue is sausage. Because I don't like sausage links. I shouldn't say I don't like them. They're just not my favorite. But good ones, that's when I know it's good, because I'm going to stop eating them. Thank you for the knives.
Come here, get you some ribs.
Don't worry, we'll edit you out.
This is my daughter Amber. Say hi.
Hi.
All right, get you whatever you want. You're gonna eat with your fingers right now. All right, let's try this brisket.
Okay, cut it up, see what happens. Right?
That's what the knife is for.
She straight went barbarian on that.
My daughter, by the way. Like I said, she just goes straight to the point.
I'm gonna cut off that in there. And this is the moist, you said?
Yeah. They should throw everything else away.
Oh.
It's good, but I want to try it with barbecue sauce.
Yeah. So it doesn't have that spring like some briskets have. The smoke ring is real nice. I like it. It's nice and thick. Good caramelization on the outside. But I like it a little more Okay, so
you talk too much, man. I'm just gonna eat.
Barbecue.
Go ahead and eat.
I like barbecue.
I mean, go ahead and talk. I'll eat.
You eat. That's fine. I'm just saying. So, you know, this is a discussion we've had before, how barbecue is subjective, and it's hard to say this is the best or this is not the best. Like, I can tell you right now, I'm probably not going to dig that barbecue sauce. And you
just because of the color, yeah.
Because it's probably mustard based. And I don't really care for mustard based sauces, but I'm going to try it.
It is mustard based. You were right.
Mm-hmm. You said it on camera.
Anyway.
I'm right.
Anyway, keep talking. I'll keep eating.
So, for me, I like the brisket. The barbecue sauce does help it. It's a little bit dry for me, personally. I like a brisket that's a little bit more juicy.
Yeah, keep going.
That, you know, kind of has a little bit more give to it, a little more bounce.
Mm-hmm.
Me personally.
Oh yeah.
Them ribs though are off the chain. I can't get enough of them ribs. But I will have another piece of brisket. I'm not saying it's bad, not by any means.
The brisket is good, but the ribs are wow.
Yeah, the ribs.
We should have had the brisket first.
Yeah.
Of course, we didn't know.
So I'm gonna go back in for some more of this sauce. The sauce really actually helps bring out the flavor more in the brisket, even though it's a mustard base.
Ready for sausage?
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna have more brisket. I mean, brisket is good. It's very tender.
It's very tender.
But those ribs are, holy smokes.
I want some more of that ribs.
I know. Too bad you only wanted 2. I asked him in there, how many you want? Oh, just 2. I said, are you sure? Yeah. All right.
So good.
They are very good.
Oh. So good. So those ribs are where it's at right there. If you're in the area, come get these ribs. Big time.
That's what I'm thinking.
Like, get 3 pounds of these things, 4 pounds, and just get ribs. Ah.
All flats.
Oh,
Yeah,
extra
like
crispy.
your wings.
Yeah.
Yeah, those ribs are.
I guess
where
you have
it's
to
at.
save one for your daughter.
Yeah. Want a rib?
You want a rib. You want one.
How is it? Not very good? All right. You're on camera.
I see that.
She forgot. Well, that's all right. That's what we want. We want honest opinions.
All right, I'm gonna try that.
I'm not a big sausage fan either.
Smells good and smoky.
What is this?
Rib, just eat it.
Oh, that's super juicy. Okay. Honest opinion, what do you think of that sausage?
I don't like it. What? We couldn't have planned that any better. Oh my God. Oh my God. That was priceless.
Oh, that was perfect.
I'm gonna have some more ribs in the meantime.
I think I just used all the napkins.
This is what I gotta deal with. Every day. Every day. Of course, I wouldn't have it any other way. Come on, Daniel, get back over here.
All right, back to the sausage. I cannot believe that just happened.
The paper towel right to your face. That was the best thing. All right, so she just had the rib, and the minute she bit into it, she's like, "Oh wow!"
Yeah.
So I think it's unanimous. The ribs
are where it's at.
Where it's at here. At least for us,
Yeah.
all 3 of us.
If you're a sausage fan, you're probably gonna dig the sausage. It's just not for me. For me, it just kind of lacked a little bit of flavor. Like, there's pepper in there, but you don't really get that pepperiness to it. You get a lot of good smoke flavor, but you don't really taste the meat. The casing got a good bite to it. Other than that, I mean, it's kind of your standard sausage. But the ribs, gosh, you got to get here for these ribs. These ribs are super amazing.
Where's the paper towels?
I gave them to her, so I wouldn't.
Oh.
Very good.
Yeah, so the ribs for sure. We're gonna save one.
Okay.
Eat some brisket. Brisket's good. Don't get me wrong, but I think since the ribs are so good,
Yeah, they're probably
it
overpowering.
overpowered
Yeah.
the brisket. Yeah, the ribs are very good. Did I mention the ribs are good?
All right, so we're at where? City Barbecue.
City Market BBQ, Luling, Texas. If you guys noticed, we didn't get any side orders because we're here for the barbecue. I didn't want to fill up on nothing else. But man, those ribs are good. Dang it! Well, see, we bought 1.5 pounds of brisket, 6 ribs. They were almost like an afterthought. They were there, so I said, "You want some ribs?" He goes, "Yeah, give me 2." I'm typically a rib fan, but for some reason I just wasn't in the rib mood today. Now I am, but now they're gone.
That's all right. You know, the nice thing about being here, there's nothing spicy.
No.
I'm gonna take a break this week from spicy.
Well, tell us what happened last week. I mean, we know what happened, but what happened after?
What happened after?
After.
Okay, so I'm not as young as I look, guys. I know y'all think I'm in my 20s. I'm not. And yeah, I woke up at 4:45 in the morning with heartburn and really bad acid reflux, and I couldn't go back to sleep. It was not my favorite. And I mean, dare I say, I had the spicy burps. Yeah, it was rough. It was rough.
Next day he came to the office. He's like, "Man, never again, never again." I'm like, "Man, we're about to make it a thing."
Let's take a break this week. I'll go next week.
Yeah.
Okay, this barbecue sauce is growing on me.
Obviously, drink it. I mean, it's not ranch, but look what I just found, Danny.
Another rib?
Another rib.
Have fun.
That's it. This is gonna be my last one because I'm full. But man, this is so good. Yeah, this ribs is where it's at. For sure.
The shizzle.
For sure.
I think we should wrap it up because I just want to enjoy my food and not talk anymore about it.
All right.
You got a mouthful of food? Good job.
Go.
I'm not gonna close it out. All right, so this is Eric Cortina with Texas Barndominiums.
You wish. Thank you for joining us. This one's a bit more informal than the others because they were closing as we walked in. But hey, guess what? We're still gonna get it done. We'll see you next week with another Friday Feast episode. We are Texas Barndominiums. So one thing you need to know about City Market is that you need to bring cash or they have an ATM machine in there. All they take is cash, okay? So don't forget that.